Hey guys, I have a downloadable recipe for you, super easy to follow, so let's get right to it. First of all, this cake can be enjoyed by two ways: traditional cake with frosting or a super moist and soft with this out-of-this-world chocolate sauce. I love this. Trust me, you will love it too. It is thanks to this amazing chocolate frosting, which is much less sweet than the typical American buttercream frosting that most recipes use. But that's not all. The chocolate flavor is so much stronger thanks to the use of 100% cocoa dark chocolate bar in addition to regular cocoa powder. So if you prefer less sweet but with stronger chocolate flavor, this is definitely the frosting for you. For the cake itself, instead of using chocolate bar, I'm using a whopping 1 cup of regular cocoa powder, joined by hot coffee to enhance the flavor of the cocoa powder. That results to a much stronger chocolate flavor while eliminating the hassle of working with chocolate bar. Finally, this recipe is quick, easy, hassle-free. I guarantee it's the easiest recipe you ever made. If that all sounds good, let's take a quick look at how to make. Preheat the oven, prepare the pans, grease, lime, and flour. Heat up the coffee, mix the batter with just one bowl, then divide it among the pans. Bake for about 35 minutes. Melt a chocolate bar with heavy cream and blend it in with chocolate buttercream to make the frosting. With it, frost the cool cake and enjoy this way or this way. And here are a few notes, tips, tricks I have for you. To prepare the cake pans, we grease it with cooking spray, line with square or rectangle parchment paper, then coat it with flour. Just tap and spin on the countertop. Easy, right? You can use either espresso powder or freshly brewed strong coffee, although not recommended, but you can skip the coffee, just hot water instead if you're having problem with coffee. To prevent spattering around, after adding the coffee, you want to hold the machine running still at the center for a little bit before swirling around. Use a scale for consistency between the layers, tap the pans to pop large bubbles, and rotate them midway through for even baking. The best time to trim off the cake domes is when they are still warm, and this tool is the best. A little frosting in the bottom helps keeping the cake stay in place. A cookie scoop is excellent for transferring the frosting, and just do frosting like what we normally do, between the layers and the outside of the cake. Smooth out the side with a scraper. Doesn't have to be perfect. Use the tip of a flexible spatula to do some cleanup. If you like having different shades of color, adding some black cocoa powder to the rest of the frosting before frosting the outside of the cake. And use a spoon or different tools to create the texture outside of the cake. This is just a messy look that I like to do with chocolate cake. It just looks so cool. This cake can be sit outside in room temperature for about 3 days and then about 5 days in refrigerator. But on day 3 and after, the cake will start to feel dry. So I think it's the best time to eat it with the sauce by heating up for about 20 to 30 seconds until the frosting turns to a sauce. And then you just spoon it on the cake. It's just so moist and soft. It's just delicious. That's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing chocolate cake coming. Ask me any question. If you may help my small channel with like, comment, and share on your social media, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.